So how do you share your YouTube video to your Instagram stories and to your Facebook stories? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to actually go onto your YouTube channel and decide what video it is that you want to share. So it can be any video, whether it's a short video or a long video. What we're going to be doing in this video is showing you how to place that video link into your Instagram stories. So let's just grab hold of a video here. Let's go for a longer one. So I've got this one on YouTube, how to create YouTube shorts from your long video. So let me just grab that one there. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to just pause that. All you need to do is to grab the link to this video. So you click the share option and then go copy link. Now that's the job done in YouTube. Now you need to swap over to Instagram. So I'm going to go to Instagram and we're going to be putting this into your story. So there's a few ways to get to your story. You can do the plus button and then click the story option and it will open up on you like so, and then you can do a little video about it, or you can upload the thumbnail of that video and then create it. I like to do a video showing, like telling people what to do. So I'm going to just quickly do a little video here. Okay, so what I did is I recorded a short video inside my stories. Now I've just put it on mute for now, but we won't keep it on mute. Now the next thing is, how do I add the link? How do I get my YouTube video? So remember, we just copied the link from your YouTube video. So you go to the three dots again, go to stickers and go to the link sticker. Now this time we're going to paste that link that we just copied from YouTube. You can see it here. Now you can either leave it as it says, or you can customize your sticker. So I'm going to put here in capitals, click here to watch. And then I'm going to put a little emoji and see if that works. Now I'm going to click done. And there you can see that it's given me the link. Click here to watch the video. So you can tap on it to make it different colors. I'm going to just make it pop a bit. And then I'm going to put it where I said to click. So there you go. So that's right where I said for them to click. I'm just going to move my captions up here out of the way. So you can move your captions around. You can see that you get this like little, I suppose, like little graph, like grid. So to make sure that you've got everything in the areas that you need it in. Then all you need to do is put the volume back on and click share to stories. So that's how you share your YouTube video to your Instagram stories. Now let's jump over to Facebook and show you how to do that the same way. So to share your YouTube video from the desktop into your Facebook stories. Okay, so here we are on my YouTube channel. Again, go to the video that you want to share. So I'm going to go to this one, open it up onto your channel. Okay. So then what we need to do is we just need to click the share button and we need to go to Facebook. Now, before you go on to Facebook and click this button, I just want to remind you that however you are signed into your Facebook account will determine where this goes to. Now, just so that you understand what I'm talking about, in Facebook, we can act as ourselves, in other words, as you, or you can act as your business page. So if you're logged in as yourself, which is where I am now, then it's going to show up on your personal Facebook stories. So before you share on YouTube, make sure that you're logged in as yourself on your Facebook account. So then jump back to YouTube and click the Facebook share option. And we're going to get two options here. Up here, we're going to go share to newsfeed or story. Down the bottom, you'll see that it's automatically ticked to go to your feed. I want you to untick that and just click to your story. Now, what's going to happen is it's going to place this thumbnail into your Facebook story and the link of the thumbnail is going to be clickable. So here, you just want to do a very short little update. So something like click below to watch my latest video. That's all you have to do. And then all you need to do then is to go post to Facebook, and Facebook is automatically going to share this YouTube link and thumbnail into your stories. Now, to just double check that, it's probably best for me to go onto my mobile phone. So I'm going to jump over to my mobile. Now, as you can see, my story is already started to upload. So I'm just going to click my story because I've got a story on there from before. So here you can see that there's the video that I just shared with you. So click below to watch the latest video. If I click that, it's going to say view website. I'm going to click that and it's going to open up straight into my YouTube video. And if you want to watch it inside the app, you click open app and it's going to open that video up straight inside your YouTube app so that you can consume the video as and when you want to. So just skip over the ad and there's the video that I just shared inside of my Facebook stories from my YouTube account. So what we did in this video is, number one, I showed you how to share your YouTube video link into your Instagram stories. And then I showed you, number two, how to share that YouTube link from your YouTube account into your Facebook personal stories on the desktop. My name's Anita Wong. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe, like, and follow me here so that you'll learn more about how you can use YouTube and Instagram and Facebook together to build your business.